Welcome to the ultimate guide to digital nomad jobs. Make money while traveling the world. Ever dreamed of breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind and exploring the globe while earning a living? That's exactly what being a digital nomad is all about. In this video, we'll dive into the exciting world of location-independent work, showing you how to turn your wanderlust into a sustainable lifestyle. From freelance writing to web development, we'll cover the most popular digital nomad jobs and the skills you need to succeed. We'll also explore how to find work, manage your finances, and overcome common challenges. Get ready to transform your career and embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Now, let's explore some of the most popular digital nomad jobs that can fuel your travels. First up is freelance writing and content creation. If you have a way with words, you can write articles, blog posts, or even books for clients worldwide. Content marketing is booming, and businesses always need engaging copy. Next, we have web development and programming. With the digital world constantly expanding, skilled coders are in high demand. Whether you're into front-end design or back-end development, there's plenty of remote work available. Graphic design and digital art offer another creative avenue. From crafting logos to designing user interfaces, visual artists can find a wealth of opportunities online. Online teaching and tutoring have surged in popularity, especially for English language instruction. With just a stable internet connection and a webcam, you can educate students across the globe. Virtual assistants and remote admin work are perfect for organized individuals. Many entrepreneurs and small businesses need help managing their day-to-day operations. Social media management is another hot field. As businesses strive to maintain their online presence, they often outsource this task to skilled professionals who understand different platforms and engagement strategies. Lastly, digital marketing and SEO specialists are crucial in today's online-centric world. Helping businesses improve their visibility and reach can be both lucrative and location-independent. Remember, these are just a few examples. The beauty of the digital nomad lifestyle is that almost any job that can be done on a computer can become your ticket to travel. In the next section, we'll discuss the essential skills you'll need to succeed in these roles and thrive as a digital nomad. To thrive as a digital nomad, you'll need more than just job-specific skills. Let's discuss some essential abilities that will set you up for success. First and foremost, self-discipline and time management are crucial. Without a traditional office structure, you'll need to motivate yourself and manage your workload efficiently. Adaptability and problem-solving skills are vital. You'll encounter unexpected challenges, from unreliable Wi-Fi to cultural differences. Being able to think on your feet is key. Strong communication skills are non-negotiable. Whether you're explaining a project to a client or collaborating with a remote team, clear and effective communication is essential. Basic tech knowledge is also important. You should be comfortable troubleshooting common tech issues and using various digital tools. Lastly, cultivate a growth mindset. The digital landscape is always evolving, so be prepared to continuously learn and adapt your skills to stay competitive in the global market.
If you give me just 15 seconds, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your YouTube videos in a matter of seconds using a specific AI tool. If we go to the tool and click this section called Warp Upload, then we can paste in a video URL of one of our unlisted videos before we upload it. After that, we just click this button right here. And then what this tool is going to do is scan through the video and what is said in the video, and then craft the perfect titles, description, and tags, and you can literally just copy paste this into your videos and you're ready to go. Now the tool is called a TubeMagic, and it will also write your scripts. It has script templates for how-to scripts, script outlines, YouTube short scripts, and it'll also help you come up with great video ideas and a bunch of other awesome things. And all of these successful YouTubers right here are using TubeMagic as their secret tool for growing on YouTube. And I'd love to invite you to get access to TubeMagic with a special deal going on right now. Just click anywhere on this ad and you can sign up with our special early bird deal before we do eventually raise the price. We've initially launched this with a small group of big YouTubers. We've dialed the tools in, connecting with the YouTube API and other content generation tools, and we've created the best suite of AI tools for growing on YouTube that exists. My name is Matt Parr, by the way, and I run the Make Money Matt channel on YouTube, and I also run a bunch of faceless channels that have helped me get play buttons just like these. And I'm using TubeMagic to help speed up the process with running all of my different channels and cut down on freelancer costs. Imagine, for example, that you didn't have to hire a scriptwriter. You didn't have to spend spend hours upon hours writing your own scripts, optimizing your videos, and everything that goes into running a YouTube channel. And now with TubeMagic, that's all possible. It will literally do it all for you. Feel free to click on this ad, check it out. I can't wait to see you inside. You're going to absolutely love it, and you will wonder what you ever did without it. Now, TubeMagic does cost a monthly subscription to use, but think about it like this. If this saved you from hiring someone to write a script or spending hours upon hours writing your own scripts, and if you compare this against optimizing your own videos and spending hours of your time or hiring people to manage your channels for you, this will save you thousands upon thousands of dollars, and we only charge a low monthly fee. So if you want to get started with this early bird special, now is the best time to get in on the ground floor of TubeMagic, and now is the best time to get started using the best suite of AI tools out there. I can't wait to see you inside. Nice to meet you if this is our first time meeting, and hopefully I'll see you there.
Now that we've covered essential skills, let's dive into how to find work as a digital nomad. One of the most popular options is using freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect professionals with clients worldwide. These platforms offer a wide range of job opportunities across various industries. Create a compelling profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects that match your expertise. Job boards specifically for remote work are another great resource. Check out sites like We Work Remotely, Remote, Co, and Flex Jobs. These platforms curate remote job listings from companies that embrace distributed teams. Networking is crucial in the digital nomad world. Build your online presence through platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. Engage with industry professionals. Share your work, and join online communities related to your field. You never know where your next opportunity might come from. Don't forget about creating your own opportunities. Consider starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast related to your expertise. This can help establish you as an authority in your field and potentially lead to paid collaborations or consulting work. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Deliver exceptional work to your clients, and they'll likely recommend you to others or provide repeat business. Building a solid reputation is key to sustaining your digital nomad lifestyle. As a digital nomad, having the right tools at your fingertips is crucial for staying productive and organized. Let's explore some essential resources. For project management, tools like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com can help you keep track of tasks and deadlines. These platforms are great for both personal use and collaborating with clients or team members. Communication is key, so familiarize yourself with apps like Slack, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. These tools facilitate seamless communication regardless of time zones or locations. Time tracking is important for billing clients accurately and managing your workload. Check out Toggle or Rescue Time to monitor how you spend your working hours. For productivity, consider using apps like Forest or Freedom to minimize distractions and stay focused. Cloud storage solutions like Dropbox or Google Drive are essential for accessing your files from anywhere in the world. Lastly, don't forget about cybersecurity. A reliable VPN like NordVPN or ExpressVPN is crucial for protecting your data when using public Wi-Fi networks. Managing your finances as a digital nomad requires careful planning and smart strategies. Let's dive into some key considerations. First, look into international banking options. Many digital nomads swear by online banks like N26 or Revolut, which offer low fees for international transactions and withdrawals. When it comes to taxes, things can get complicated. Consider using a service like TaxFile or hiring an accountant familiar with expat taxes to ensure you're compliant with both your home country and the countries you're working from. Budgeting is crucial in a nomadic lifestyle. Apps like You Need a Budget or Mint can help you track expenses across different currencies and stick to your financial goals. Speaking of currencies, use apps like XE-Currency to stay on top of exchange rates. Consider using TransferWise for international money transfers to save on fees. Lastly, build an emergency fund. Having a financial cushion is crucial when dealing with unexpected travel changes or work droughts. Selecting the right destinations is crucial for a successful digital nomad lifestyle. Let's explore key factors to consider. First, assess the cost of living. Websites like Numbeo can provide insights into expenses for different cities worldwide. Balance your earning potential with local costs to ensure your chosen destination is financially sustainable. Internet reliability is non-negotiable. Research average internet speeds using resources like Speedtest Global Index. Consider co-working spaces as a backup for stable connectivity. Visa requirements vary greatly between countries. Some offer specific digital nomad visas, while others limit stays on tourist visas. Always check official government websites for the most up-to-date information. Popular digital nomad hubs include Bali, Indonesia, Chiang Mai, Thailand, Lisbon, Portugal, and Medellin, Colombia. These locations often offer a balance of affordability, good infrastructure, and vibrant expat communities. Remember, the perfect destination depends on your personal preferences, work requirements, and lifestyle goals. Don't be afraid to experiment with different locations to find your ideal spot. While the digital nomad lifestyle is exciting, it comes with its own set of challenges. Let's discuss some common issues and how to tackle them. Maintaining work-life balance can be tricky when your office is your hotel room. Set clear boundaries between work and leisure time. Use separate spaces for work and relaxation if possible. Loneliness is a frequent complaint among digital nomads. Combat this by joining local expat groups or using apps like Meetup to connect with like-minded individuals. Co-working spaces can also provide a sense of community. Staying productive in new environments can be challenging. Establish a routine that you can maintain regardless of location. This might include morning rituals or specific work hours. Dealing with different time zones can affect your sleep and work schedule. Use tools like World Time Buddy to coordinate with clients and colleagues efficiently. Remember, adaptability is key. Each challenge is an opportunity to grow and refine your digital nomad lifestyle. Stay flexible, and don't be afraid to adjust your approach as needed. Navigating the legal aspects of digital nomadism is crucial for a worry-free experience. First, research visa requirements thoroughly. Some countries offer specific digital nomad visas, while others may require you to exit and re-enter periodically on tourist visas. Don't overlook insurance. Comprehensive travel insurance is essential, covering health emergencies and potential equipment loss or damage. Consider international health insurance plans designed for long-term travelers. Be aware of tax obligations both in your home country and where you're working. Some countries have tax treaties to avoid double taxation, but it's wise to consult with an international tax expert to ensure compliance. Always respect local laws and regulations wherever you go to avoid any legal complications. To wrap up, let's discuss some key tips for thriving as a digital nomad. First, establish a routine that works for you. This helps maintain productivity and creates a sense of normalcy amidst changing environments. Invest in continuous learning. The digital landscape evolves rapidly, so stay updated with industry trends and new skills. Online courses and webinars are great resources. Network actively, both online and in person. Building connections can lead to new opportunities and valuable friendships. Practice self-care, regular exercise, healthy eating, and adequate sleep are crucial for maintaining energy and focus. Be mindful of your work-travel balance. It's easy to get caught up in work and forget to explore your surroundings. Schedule time for sightseeing and local experiences. Stay organized with digital tools for task management, file storage, and communication. Lastly, remain flexible and open-minded. Embrace the unpredictability of nomad life as part of the adventure. Remember, adaptability is your greatest asset in this lifestyle. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to digital nomad jobs. We've covered everything from popular remote careers to essential skills, finding work, managing finances, and overcoming challenges. Remember, the digital nomad lifestyle offers incredible freedom and opportunities, but it also requires dedication and adaptability. With the right mindset and tools, you can turn your travel dreams into a sustainable reality. We hope this guide inspires you to take the leap into the exciting world of digital nomadism. And if you're looking to expand your online presence, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't miss our next video, YouTube Automation, How to Grow Your Channel on Autopilot. We'll reveal strategies to boost your channel while you're out exploring the world.